these two because they really do spit water. That's some big dinos behind you.
I love this already. Just walked in. This is really cool.
We are behind the scenes at Dino Stroll.
Yeah.
And get ready because we are going to go on a dinosaur adventure that rocks. We are so excited. We're here at Dino Stroll and we have a special guest, Jason Rumau, tour manager of Dino Stroll. Can you tell us about it? What is Dino Stroll?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it. So, Dino Stroll is a walkthrough family educational exhibit. You can come by, you can get close to the dinos, you can touch them, they move, they make sounds. We have bounce houses, we have scooters, we have ATVs. It's just a fun event for families to come out to.
I mean, just to give you an idea, these dinosaurs, some of them are just huge, that go all the way up to the ceiling. Wow.
In case you're wondering why they're not moving,
we were lucky to be brought in behind the scenes to show you everything as it's being set up.
Which is super cool.
But when it comes to your town, it is full on roar in here.
90% of all of these, what they say, 70 are moving.
Yes.
It's incredible. Come, you gotta come.
Stop, Sandy.
People need to see these dinosaurs.
Roar! So we're gonna turn them on right now. When people come out to Dino Stroll, about how many dinosaurs are they gonna see?
We have about 70 exhibits, big and small, all sizes.
70! Woo!
They even have fossil walls in here. Look at the size of this thing. Is there a certain age you would recommend to come out here?
No age at all. Older, younger, everybody loves it.
Could be wrong, but I don't think you can see this type of setup anywhere else where you can actually get on a dino, and I'm seeing that correct?
Absolutely. So kids can get on it. It's a dino that goes up and down. It's a lot of fun. I've seen people have an amazing time.
That is cool. Now, can adults ride it too?
No.
Okay, it's kids.
Is 65 pounds.
65 pounds. Okay. No, sorry, Rock. Yeah, he looks like he wants to eat me.
So, do all the dinosaurs move like this?
About 90% of them all move.
Wow, 90%.
Oh no. Of course they've got to have the raptors. Blue? Is that you? Hey, Rock. Why don't you go in the cage? I'm just kidding.
Look how realistic these raptors are. Sandy is even far away and she's freaking out. So I'm noticing there's no signs saying no flash photography. So you're encouraging photos?
Absolutely. We want you to take pictures. We want you to have memories, have a good time, and if you can, put it on your social media.
Hear that, Sandy? They want us to take fun photos out here.
That won't be a problem for us.
So people can take as many fun photos like this?
They can take as many as they want. We love it. We encourage it.
I gotta tell you, this is awesome. Look at the smile on my face. Can you tell me about these?
Yeah, these are scooters for kids to jump on. They can go around this track, and it's a lot of fun. They love it.
Riding a dinosaur amongst the bigger dinosaurs? How can you not have a dino-rific time out here? Lunch. Oh, look at that! The little one playing. I wonder if that's the baby and that's the mama. One thing I love is how popular Dino Stroll is. The energy in here is definitely electric. I love seeing the excitement all the kids and adults are having as they're taking pictures, videos, and just having a whole prehistoric time, if you will, out here. Look at these two. Sandy, what do you think? Do I even have a chance to get on those?
Yeah, unfortunately, if you're 65 pounds or over, you can't get on these rides. Aren't you sad? I want to ride.
Oh, poor little guy needs a Band-Aid right there. It's okay, buddy. I'll ask Sandy for one. I noticed, like on the big guy here, there doesn't seem to be any sensors, any special foot pads to stomp on to make him go. Is that accurate?
That is. So there's a computer that lets you know what to do, how to move, what sound to make.
And they're running at all times, so as soon as someone walks in, they're just on and ready for you to have some fun and explore.
The whole time, go.
Interactive dinosaur photo experience? Can you tell us more about this?
Absolutely. So if you come, you can take pictures in our photo booth. We can superimpose dinos chasing you, about to bite you, and we'll send them to you. If you like them, you can purchase them.
That's awesome.
I love that idea. Love these interactive photo experiences.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, so they took 4 photos, and of course we had to have our shades on, and one of the photos was we did like a Charlie's a Hit too, but we're definitely going to put it on Instagram.
Right.
Yeah.
And they did one where we were running from the dinosaurs.
Yeah, and there's one where I pushed Rock into the mouth of a dinosaur.
Right.
And then the night of the museum, where we got to have a nice photo together.
Right. But as Sandy said, it's another reason to definitely follow us on Instagram to see these fun photos, and of course all the photos that Sandy has taken of all the dinosaurs out here.
Yeah, there's a ton.
Even the babies move out here, and the little ones, they just love it that they're their size. This show is so huge, it gets brought in by 8 tractor trailers. People hoping Dino Stroll's going to come to their city. How often are you in operation?
We go 48 weeks out of the year, so every week we're in a different state.
48 weeks, so odds are they're definitely coming to a town or city near you. Notice the Dino Stroll shirts are really popular. Behind me they have a huge assortment, but this blue one we keep seeing flying off the shelves. Sandy, I don't know, what do you think? I gotta get one.
I think that would look really good on you.
This is amazing. Where can people go to find out if it's coming to a city near them?
Well, please come to our website. It's dinostroll.com. You can get our dates, you can buy tickets, any advanced news, it's all going to be there.
And we're going to put a link to that in the description down below.
That is incredible. Dino Stroll is now one of my favorite places to go to see these big guys.
This was so cool.
Yeah.
It is such a fun experience out here.
We can't thank you enough for letting us behind the scenes and taking a look what goes on for all these big guys. Wow, what an experience.
Yeah, you don't realize how much work it takes to put on a show like this.
Yeah, 48 weeks a year.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dinosaur, for having us out once again. We really appreciate it.
Yes.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for? We
'Cause-
want you to do that.
you really never know where we're going to end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those that might be prehistoric, an adventure that rocks.